Hi, I'm May. I've lost 44 kilograms in 12 months without ever quitting rice or avoiding carbs. Why Filipinos are scared of carbs? No rice, no pasta, no bread. Isa din ako sa mga Pilipinong takot at umiwas sa carbs dati. I thought na this is the fastest way to get lean, pero ito rin pala ang dahilan kung bakit lagi akong nag-fail. But I realized na hindi rice ang nagpapataba, kundi ang excess calories na kinakain natin. Carbs is our body's main source of energy. Kapag tinanggal mo ang carbs, manghina ka, magiging irritable ka at magbi-binge eating ka kasi gutom ka. The secret is not no carbs or no rice, it's portion control. Maraming Pilipinong inaakala na ang pagbilis ng pagbaba ng weight nila dahil sa no carbs is a fat loss, but no. It's only water weight or muscles na naalis sa katawan mo, and it's not sustainable in the long run. Naging successful ako sa fat loss journey ko because I didn't avoid carbs. I choose better carbs like white potato and sweet potato o kahit white rice basta kontrolado ang portion. Don't punish your body. Fuel it. Hindi kalaban ang carbs. Ang kalaban is yung sobrang dami. Have you tried no carbs before? Kamusta ang experience mo? Anong team ka? Team no rice o team moderate rice? Let's talk sa comments and follow for more fat loss meats.